And this is how you set up a 2013 Prius 5 Homelink system. First, you have to clear the codes by pressing the first and third Homelink button simultaneously. The light turns red, and once it starts flashing, your codes are cleared. Take your receiver, push the button that you want to use for your garage door, hold it so it's slow flashing, then push the button on the remote that you want to use to open the garage door. Wait till it starts fast flashing. Your code's accepted. And if you're like me and you have a rolling code garage door, you have to get out and push a button on the garage door opener itself to program the garage door opener to accept codes from the Homelink remote. Open your garage door again. This is the Craftsman garage door opener. Push the red button. Light goes on solid. You have 20 seconds to get back to the car and press and hold the garage door button that you programmed with the opener. It'll fast flash and then go solid, and then it's programmed.